Nomad line of portable solar panels is built tough for mobile base camps and off-grid adventures. Designed for portability, the Nomad 50, Nomad 100, and the Nomad 200 are perfect for longer trips well off the beaten path, where high power demands and packability matter most. The versatile 4-panel design makes it easy to unfold and collect solar power while stationary. Then they quickly pack down to easily stow in your vehicle while on the move. Pair the Nomad 50 and the Nomad 100 with any of our Yeti power stations or medium-sized power banks to keep laptops charged, run portable fridges, and power all your essential electronics. The Nomad 200, the largest in the line, pairs easily with our larger Yeti power stations and was designed to meet high-power needs without sacrificing portability. The panel comes with a built-in Anderson power pole connector, also known as APP, which plugs easily into the faceplate of your Yeti, allowing you to easily optimize your solar charging experience. All of our Nomads feature 4 monocrystalline panels sealed in a protective enclosure, attachment loops that allow you to strap the panel to vehicles, tents, and more, a USB-A 2.4 amp port allowing you to charge devices directly. An easy-access mesh case keeps cables organized and protected. The Nomad 50 and 100 feature built-in 8mm charging cables for Goal Zero Yeti power stations and power banks. The Nomad 50 comes with built-in 8mm chaining capabilities, allowing you to chain up to 3 Nomad 50 panels for a total of 150 watts. For the Nomad 100, use the Goal Zero 4X 8mm combiner cable to chain up to 4 Nomad 100s into our larger Yeti power stations. Chain up to 4 Nomad 200s with a 4X APP to APP combiner cable and plug directly into the faceplate of our larger Yeti power stations. Whether you are heading out to an extended expedition or you want to have some portable solar power on hand in an emergency, our Nomad portable solar panels are ready to help you power anything, anywhere.
When something is well designed, you don't have to think about it. It just works beautifully. When it comes to powering your home, SunPower Equinox just works. It's the only complete home solar system with everything designed to work perfectly together, from sun to switch. With the most powerful and attractive panels available, solar cells built for efficiency and durability, and microinverter technology that maximizes power production at each panel, the SunPower Equinox system turns more sunlight into energy while resting seamlessly on your roof. It works beautifully overhead and in the palm of your hand. One company, one warranty, one company.
little bigger, a little stronger, and a little more powerful. So the Boulder 50 is replacing the old Boulder 30s, and our Boulder 100s are now replacing our old Boulder 90s. So we've got a nice ecosystem going here. We've still got the tempered glass, the aluminum frames, and now reinforced corners to be able to go out and play wherever you happen to be out there. So our new Boulder lineup all comes with integrated kickstands. These allow you to tilt your solar panel to point them at the sun for more solar production. It's pretty sweet. Just on a nice little hinge, this kickstand folds in flush with the panel, and as you pull it out, you just lean the solar panel back, point it towards the sun, and you start producing and charging your batteries. The kickstand is built so it's integrated to a little less than a 45-degree angle. Since most solar panels and most outdoor play happens in the summertime, we wanted to capture more of that summer sun when it's more direct overhead and less out on the horizon. So we've tried to optimize this angle for your benefit. So we've made a decision to get away from the MC4 cables and stick to the 8mm barrel jacks. This is going to be a safety precaution so that we can only chain our panels in parallel, so everything stays at a nice safe 12 volts for the user. With our 8mm chaining cable, we can chain up to 4 of any of our solar panels here that have the 8mm barrel jack to plug in through the Anderson power pole. Just grab the barrel jack from the solar panel. As you plug it in, make sure you push hard enough to hear it snap into place, and that's going to give you a nice, strong, sturdy connection to make sure that you're always transmitting power to your battery. As you can see, our panels come in slightly different form factors between the 50, the 100, and the 100 briefcase. The briefcase has a sweet carrying handle so it can go wherever you go, and it comes with a bag so you can stuff the panels in there, keep them nice and safe from getting scratched while you're out traveling. The Boulder 50 and the Boulder 100 both have the kickstand, which is a sweet tilt option for portability, but that kickstand's also removable just in case you do want to permanently mount these solar panels to any roof. And those are our brand new Boulder solar panels with improved features and capabilities for a wonderful user experience. And if you need any more information or for purchase,
let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything?